Welcome to Harmonic, this Lightwave 35 built in the year 2000 and located here on the Gold Coast. Lightwave Catamarans are known for their lightweight construction, their proven sailing performance, and their efficient hull shape and design. She's not merely a cruiser, but a great sailing catamaran. With an easy and simple sail program, she's fast and responsive under sail and easily handled by a couple or single-handed. She's a 3-cabin version, making her perfect to have friends or family join you on board. With a practical galley layout down in the starboard hull, she boasts a spacious saloon space with plenty of headroom. A great feature on a boat whilst cruising for extended periods. Standing rigging was replaced in 2025, and the engines have only got 286 hours on them, meaning that most of the major expenses for a boat of this age, in terms of maintenance, have already been completed. Harmonic would be a great boat for somebody looking to step into coastal cruising or for a family looking for a boat for the weekend. Join me as we make our way through the boat. If you would like any more information or to organise a viewing, please get in touch.